My name is Peter Klaus. I've been a guest professor at TUM Asia for about 6 years now. Before that time, I was holding a chair in business logistics at the University of Erlangen-Nuremberg for about 20 years, and at the same time I was responsible for a research institute in logistics and supply chain management, also at Nuremberg by the Fraunhofer Gesellschaft. And I always like to mention that the first half of my career was in the real world of transportation and logistics. I was working in a medium-sized transport and forwarding company in Germany for those years. Talking first about the opportunities, logistics has been a tremendous growth industry over the last 20-30 years, when globalization and an enormous increase in worldwide trade has really advanced, and obviously with parts of Asia like India and many parts of Southeast Asia still having a long way to go to move industrialization, to get an even stronger partner in international trade. That makes logistics still for the coming years very fast growing and very attractive and needed industry. But then talking about challenges, I'm coming from Europe, and Europe is in a different situation now. It has leveled off in terms of population growth, growth of industrial production. It's moving, as we say, from an industrial in a post-industrial service-oriented stage, and we will not expect tremendous growth rates in the movement of freight in and out of Europe anymore. And talking about challenges, I mean, it's just a matter of time when Eastern economies reach that saturation and leveling off state. Maybe Japan is already there, and that of course will mean that these growth rates will not go on forever. And then of course there are quite a number of other issues which I just like to touch on. The energy availability and sustainability issue. If the projections are true, in 20-30 years we may be out or nearly out of diesel fuel and kerosene, and that of course would have tremendous impact on running those huge logistics operations. And frankly, nobody, including myself, has a clear picture of what that's going to mean and what the solutions will be for those longer term perspectives of the growth of logistics.